Okay. And can I get your name, please?
Martha Hernandez,
Okay, Martha, how old are you?
36.
Okay. And Martha, are you training for something right now?
Yes, I'm training for the LA Marathon, and I'm doing strength training as
Okay.
well.
So you're doing strength training, you're lifting weights, that kind of stuff, CrossFit stuff,
Right.
and you're also running for the marathon.
Yes.
That's an extreme workout right there. That's a lot of stuff right there.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you notice when you do those kind of workouts that you have aches and pains in your body?
All the time. Always sore. I always have aches and pains after my runs, and it makes it tough to recover.
Okay. Now, do you have any issues with sleep when it comes to this?
Yeah, I have lots of sleeping issues. I get up maybe 3 to 4 times a night, because I can't sleep. Something wakes me up to use the restroom or what have you, but I'm a very light sleeper.
Okay. Now, have you used any of Nature's Best products so far?
Yes, I've been using the hemp oil for about 7 days now.
Okay. And have you also used the pain cream?
I have.
Okay. Now, as far as the pain cream specifically, what did you use that on?
I've used it on my calves, on my knees for knee pain.
Okay.
And actually my shoulder too once.
Okay. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I felt less pain the next morning.
Okay. Now that was like something that was hurting for a few days, or was it like a long time that you were dealing with the pain?
My short term.
Okay.
Short term.
And so you think for short-term pain it was definitely helpful?
Yeah.
Okay. And you would recommend the pain cream?
Yes, I would.
Okay. So now the hemp oil. How long you been using it?
For 7 days.
7 days. And in the 7 days, have you noticed anything, any difference on it?
I think my sleep is better. I'm still a little achy, I still feel the aches and pains from my training, but I think that it's helping me sleep better.
Okay. And now, how much are you taking?
I'm taking 3 drops every morning on an empty stomach.
So 3 drops once a day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now this is going to be week 2. So I think we're going to up it up a little bit. We'll do 3 drops twice a day.
Okay.
Okay, and then I think we'll come back in a week from now and we'll check the progress and we'll see how we do from there.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your time.